All right, welcome to Chapter 1. So Chapter 1 is largely prerequisite material as well. We just did a chapter that was called, or half a chapter that was called prerequisite, but Chapter 1 is prerequisite material as well. And basically what we're doing is we're still going over the basics that you need from algebra. So, like if you look up here at the top for 1.2, hopefully you find this video very straightforward, very basic, hopefully easy for you. It's very simple. And by the time we get to the bottom, you'll see down here, you're doing stuff that's much more complex, way at a higher level. So that's how this review chapter works. We're starting off from the very beginning to make sure we cover any material that you need to build on. But very quickly, we get into the hardest things that you did in algebra, right? And this can be challenging if it's been a few years since you took an algebra course, you haven't taken a math class in a while. You might find it's a little difficult to progress through these. So that's why, again, you have these study groups in place. You have help available to you. There is the tutoring center there to help you. There is my office hours, and you can contact me if my office hours don't work for you. We can try to make an appointment outside of office hours where I can help you out. So make sure you're doing that. The idea here, remember, you want to start from the top of Canvas, and I'm unlocking stuff, and you're going to work your way to the bottom. So watch those due dates. Once the due date passes, you then get penalized for work you do after the due date. So if you're going to end up doing it anyways, you might as well get full credit. So really try to watch those due dates. Do not wait until the end to start this kind of stuff. You will not have enough time to work through it, and you will not have enough time to really learn the material and really let it sink in, right? There's really a difference we can see in students understanding the material when they try to do it in the last couple days before it's due, like a large amount of homework right before it's due, versus spreading it out and being disciplined and working on it over time, right? So make sure you're developing those study groups. Make sure you're going to the tutoring center to get help. Make sure you're contacting me with help. And we're just largely going through, and I have the two different types of videos, this style of video that's from a long time ago, that's a lot older, and then some of the newer style videos that I'm posting that are kind of this style. They're all good. They all have the information in it. Anything that's old, that I don't think is still kind of holds up, I'm redoing it in the new form so I can present it a lot better. So go through, watch those videos, try to get stuff done by the due dates, and by all means, if you have questions, please get a hold of me. Okay, thank you.